In this video, I'm gonna teach you a 3-part AI stack inside of GoHighLevel that's one of the easiest recurring offers that you can sell. You can charge $200 to $500 per month per client, and the same framework works for basically any local business. So you build it once and then you just resell it over and over. I'm gonna build all 3 parts with you here live: the AI receptionist, the follow-up automation, and the automated Google reviews. So let's get straight into the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create an automation that you can sell for $200 to $500 per month. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna help auto repair shops answer all of their calls with an AI receptionist. And then we're gonna have text and email automation follow up for oil changes and car checkups. And then once we get those happy customers, we're gonna automatically get reviews for them on Google. Here you can see if we go to Google Maps and just type in something like oil change in Miami, Florida, or the way people would actually do this is type in oil change near me. You're gonna see all of these different auto shops, and these businesses live and die on their reviews and their rating. They also get a lot of calls that are pretty redundant and just people asking the same questions. So let me show you how we're gonna build an AI receptionist that can book them appointments and answer all of those frequently asked questions. Everything that I'm gonna be showing you in this video is built on the GoHighLevel software platform. I've got a 30-day free trial linked down below. Just leave a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will send you over my private link, which gets you access to all my exclusive bonuses. Once you have your HighLevel account, click on Ask AI, and inside of HighLevel, we have an AI assistant that can actually do all of this for us. So I'm just gonna type in a super simple prompt like this, and then I'm gonna head over to Google Maps and just grab this website and then paste it in right here and send this prompt over. And you can see here, it is already getting to work and building the AI receptionist. You can see it's already pulled the entire website, found out what it's offering, figured out the hours, and now it's building it out for us. It's literally doing all 7 of these steps completely for us. So all I have to do is wait and it's gonna be done. So you guys can see this took about 3 minutes and it already finished up building our AI agent. Here you can see everything the receptionist can do: answer frequently asked questions. It pulled all the hours and the location, handle pricing objections, collect caller details, and book service appointments. But none of this means anything if it isn't actually good. So let's open this up. And here you can see we've got our receptionist. Now let's give it a call.
Hey, you've reached Flash Lube Miami. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I need an oil change and just wondering when your availability is.
Here are some available times for an oil change on Friday, June 26th at 11 a.m., 3 p.m., or 4:30 p.m. Would any of those work for you?
Before I book, where are you guys located? I don't know how close you guys are to.
We're at 18201 Northwest 27th Avenue, Miami Gardens, Florida, 33056. That's just north of Miami Gardens Drive, right off Northwest 27th Avenue. Does that sound convenient for you?
Yeah, are you guys open after 5, or can you do anything after then? Usually I'm at work.
We're open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 7 days a week. Our last standard appointment is at 4:30 p.m., so we wrap up by 5. If you need something later, I can let the team know and see if they can accommodate you, but typically we finish by 5. Would you like to book the latest available slot?
I'm just curious, how long does an oil change usually take?
Most oil changes here are quick, usually under 30 minutes. We're an express service, so you won't be waiting long.
Okay, and which kind of cars do you work on?
We service all makes and models, so whatever you drive, we can take care of it. We also carry the full line of Castrol motor oils to match your vehicle's needs.
Okay, and do you guys offer any sort of like warranties?
Yes, all our services come with full service warranties. That way you're covered for any work we do on your vehicle.
Okay, that sounds fair then. So what's the availability?
Here are the next available times for an oil change on Friday, June 26th at 11 a.m., 3 p.m., or 4:30 p.m. Would you like to book one of those slots?
Yeah, let's do 3 p.m.
You're all set for Friday, June 26th at 3 p.m. Thanks for calling Flash Lube Miami. Have a great day.
All right, so a few tweaks that I would personally make. For a service like this, you can definitely include the pricing into the prompt. Obviously, Ask AI just generated this off of that short little prompt that I gave it. So you can definitely add in the pricing there. since most of that stuff is listed online or something that the actual person that's answering the phone would give you over the phone anyway. And then it usually defaults to asking for like the name, the email, and the phone number up front. But I just tweaked it so when we did the demo, it didn't ask for all that information and I could show you guys the function. But I would typically recommend to collect that information after. However, it's up to you. And then once this thing is ready to go, you just click on deploy, pick a number, either have it answer all the calls immediately or be a backup, and then set the working hours. All right, so that's part one of what we're gonna offer. Part two is once we have these leads, we're gonna automatically follow up with them so we can help this auto shop generate more business. So inside of GoHighLevel, click on automation, and then you can click on start from scratch, but I already have this built out. So I'm gonna click on SMS and email automation, and here's my workflow. And then what I can do is once the customer has paid for an oil change, I can actually set up a reminder by clicking on this plus right here and then typing in wait. And then if we click on wait, you guys can see that we have a set period of time and we can do something like 60 days or 90 days. And then it's gonna send that lead a text message and an email letting them know it's time for an oil change. You can link any sort of way that they collect payments into GoHighLevel if they're not collecting payments directly from here, but this system will automatically follow up with them and remind them it's time for an oil change. This is a super simple sell, super simple automation, but getting that text will literally bring in more customers. And if you want, you could do a little hack here where you type in voice and you could have an outbound AI call and basically tell them, hey, it's time for an oil change. And that AI agent can book appointments just like the other one. So that's part two. The next thing we can do is help them get more reviews. Just go to reputation and integrations, and you can see all these different platforms we can help them get reviews on. For this one, we're gonna use Google, and we'll set up an SMS request and an email request. We just go into automations. I'm gonna go to my review automation, and you can see here, it's gonna send a review request over SMS, and then it's also gonna send one over email. And you could do the same trigger where when a payment is received, it sends out these requests. And you can even turn on Reviews AI, which will automatically respond to all those reviews. And then you could turn on Reviews AI, which will automatically respond to all their reviews. So that is one of the easiest AI stacks that you can sell to local businesses. This is just an example for an auto repair shop, but you guys can use this framework for literally any type of local business. You're gonna answer all their calls for them, book appointments, answer frequently asked questions. You're gonna follow up with their customers for recurring services they may need, and you're gonna get reviews for them, which help them rank higher on Google and get more customers. If you're interested in learning more about how you can sell these automations to local businesses, just leave a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will send you over that exclusive link for a 30-day trial with GoHighLevel and all of my exclusive bonuses. I hope this was valuable, and I'll see you in the next one.